Alright, language explorers, so let's have a listen to some more British English ASMR. Practice your listening skills. So, Chiang Mai. Let's have a look at some articles. Chiang Mai Railway Station. Chiang Mai Railway Station, SRT code CGM. Always need T. Is a first-class station and the main railway station in Chiang Mai province. The station is on the east side of the Ping River in the city of Chiang Mai. There are 10 daily trains, not including the Eastern and Oriental Express trains serving the station. There are also 4 to 6 special trains for New Year, Songkran and other special festivals. In the 2004 census, Chiang Mai served nearly 800,000 passengers. Wow. Owned by State Railway of Thailand, operated by State Railway of Thailand, with 4 platforms and 7 tracks. Very interesting. Chiang Mai Railway Station. I've heard of Chiang Mai, Thailand. Wow. Let's have a look. Motordroma California, is a former railroad stop in Los Angeles County, California. It lay at an elevation of 2 meters. It was a stop on the Pacific Electric Railway. Motordroma still appeared on USGS maps as of 1934. The location is near the present-day intersection of Jefferson Boulevard and Culver Boulevard in what is now Ballona Wetlands. That sounds like an adventure, that does. Okay. Let's have a look. Kamakura Women's University. The school specializes in home economics and childcare. Okay. Established 1943. Okay, all right. Time travel claims and urban legends. Okay. There have been various accounts of persons who allegedly travelled through time, reported by the press or circulated on the internet. These reports have either turned out to be hoaxes or based on incorrect assumptions, incomplete information, or interpretation of fact as a fiction as fact. Many are now being recognized as urban legends. So, alleged time travelers: Charlotte Ann Mowbray and Eleanor Jourdain, Chaplin's time traveler, present-day hipster at 1941 bridge opening, mobile device in 1943, Rudolph Fentz, John Titor, Bob White and Tim Jones, Michael McIntosh, Andrew Carslin, Hanker Nordsvitz, iPhone in a 1860 painting. Let's have a look at this. Oh, interesting. Wow. So there's a woman in a meadow walking towards the frame, and it looks like she's holding something in her hand, and it's emitting light. Wow. Interesting. I remember watching something about viewing something about some alleged time traveler thing. I'm trying to remember the details now. Some Russian went to the tomb of Jesus. I remember watching some video years ago. Some Russian time traveler goes to the tomb of Jesus. I'm not sure if that's still on YouTube anymore. Let's have a look. No, I don't think it is. No, I don't think so. Interesting. All right. But I remember this years ago. All right. Okay, all right, interesting. Let's have a look. One more article. The 14th Moscow International Film Festival. Okay. The 14th Moscow International Film Festival was held from the 28th of June to the 12th of July, 1985. The Golden Prizes were awarded to the Soviet film Come and See, directed by L.M. Klimov. The American film A Soldier Story, directed by Norman Jewson, and the Greek film The Descendant of the Nine, directed by Christos Psihas. Right. 14th Moscow International Film Festival, location Moscow, Soviet Union, founded 1959, awards Grand Prix. They're still going on. Ah, still a thing. I guess it's the 43rd now. All right. Interesting. All right. Let's have a look. One more. Okay. Nicholas Callas. May 27th, 1907, December 31st, 1988, was the pseudonym of Nicholas Kalamaris, a Greek-American poet and art critic. While living in Greece, he also used the pseudonym Nicholas Randos and M. Spieros. Okay, interesting. Surrealism, modernism, and art criticism. Interesting, to say the least. I'm not too versed in art, but it's good to be versed in something creative and articulate in life. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.